Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create sci-fi art on Crayon. Embark on a journey to the future with Crayon's AI art generator as we guide you through crafting captivating sci-fi art. Here's how to unleash your imagination and bring futuristic visions to life. Start by opening the Crayon AI art generator, your portal to turning sci-fi dreams into mesmerizing artworks. Let your creativity flow as you type out your idea for your sci-fi art. Imagine something intriguing like stormtroopers playing basketball. The magic is just a click away. Press draw and witness the awe-inspiring transformation as Crayon AI transform your concept into a captivating artwork. Behold the result, a unique creation that captures the essence of your futuristic vision. With Crayon, you hold the power to craft captivating sci-fi art that transports viewers to otherworldly realms. The possibilities are limitless. Unleash your imagination and embark your sci-fi art journey with Crayon today. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.